Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is the 18th. And every month on the 18th, Dory's Dollies and I offer a challenge for Barbie dolls. Any Barbies at all. These are my 17-inch Dreamtopia Barbies, well, Barbie and Nikki, and I absolutely love these dolls. They just have a place in my heart. Every now and again, I get them out and can't get enough of them. They have on jeans that I have made for them. Today's challenge is jeans and heels. This Barbie has on matching heels I made out of the same fabric as her jeans. This one I made out of the same fabric as her top. And then this one, although they're not on there just right, I made with pink elastic. So, well, actually, maybe her feet have, no, they're just not on there right. That's okay. To match her shirt. I absolutely love these girls. If you joined us today, or if you plan on joining us today for jeans and heels with any Barbie at all, any size at all, would you please leave a note in our comment after you make your video so that we can come see it too? Dory, 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 this is so much fun, and I got to show off my 17-inch Barbie and Nikki's again. Thank you for watching my channel. Please go by Dory's and everyone else today. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment, even if it's just one emo. Thank you for watching. P.S. Here's one more. She was out taking care of some of the animals around here, so she got in late on the video.